Hello everyone, Ray the Tax Guy here, and in today's video we're going to go over the easiest way to upload your documents to the portal. So I have two different ways of doing it. They're really quick, really easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Alright, so we have two different options for uploading documents. It's like they used to say in the military, 2 is 1 and 1 is 0, right? So you always want to have a backup for whatever it is you do. So we have two different ways of doing it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is look for an email from me that looks something like this. Once you have joined the folder, you're going to see the folder. It'll look something like this, right? So you'll see all your tax returns, the years, and then you'll see a document called, or a folder called Upload Documents. So this is where all your documents are going to go. We take care of the filing. All you have to do is upload them into there, so that way we'll get notified that you uploaded something, and then we can start the preparation process that way. The second option is to go right to the My Tax Prep Office folder, which is what we use to prepare your taxes. And that looks something like this. So you're going to get an email from us again that says, hey, welcome here. And you're going to click on login, right? Once you click on login, if you haven't created an account, go ahead and create an account. If you already have an account but you forgot your password, you'll see where you can actually go to where it says forgot username and password, right? So you can go ahead and reset your password. And if you have any questions at all, just give us a call and we'll take care of it. But this is where you're going to end up going, right? So once you, let's assume you have an account already. So we're going to create, going to log in to your account here. Okay, and so once you log into the account, this is what it'll look like. You'll have 4 different sections. So the first section you're going to see is going to be the engagement letter. So once you click on that, you'll read through this. If you do agree and accept, just go ahead and click and accept, and then that'll send us a notification that you agree to the engagement letter, and then that we're ready to move forward with your tax preparation. The second section you're going to see, it's just some basic questions. So you'll see some basic questions like date of birth, occupation. Some of this stuff we already have. So if you're an existing client, you don't really need to do this. But if you're a new client, yes, we do need this information so that way we can prepare the taxes. It shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. Again, the objective is for us to do all the heavy lifting. So that way you don't have to worry about answering a 20-page questionnaire, right? So you go in, you answer all these questions here. And then once you're done with the questions, it'll take you to the next section. That next section is going to be the documents, right? So you'll see that right here, right? So you'll see the document section, and in here, you upload all your documents. So this is the second option that you have to upload your documents. So you can upload the W-2, you can upload the 1099-B, div, int, anything that we discussed that's important for your taxes. Last year's tax return, you can also upload that here, driver's license, anything that we actually need to prepare your return, you can upload it here. All right, and so then once you've completed everything, uploaded the documents, answered the questions, now we can start preparing your tax return. And then we'll keep you up to date on what the status of that is. And if we have questions, of course, we'll make sure that we stay in communication with you all. All right, so that was it. Really short, really quick video. If you run into any snags at all during this process, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, and we'll be more than glad to help. All right, so thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below for additional videos. We're going to be posting a lot more videos, so that way it's easier for you to kind of stay in touch with how we do business and stay in touch with all the latest tax information and information technology information. Also, comment down below on any future videos. So if there's a topic that you're really curious about, let us know. We already have a good lineup of information that we're going to discuss. But again, your feedback is very important. So just let us know exactly what kind of videos you'd like to see in the future. Again, thanks again for all your support, and I hope you have a blessed day.